Guys, I'm trying to surprise my mom, but now my mom video calling me right now. I am dead. When I answer.
Opening everything is Irene. Once you push back from the gate, flight attendants will be making an important safety brief. Federal laws that will inform this brief as it pertains to your safety and safest flight. Folks, remember to keep everything Irene and respect. Welcome to Montego Bay, where the local time is 3:55 p.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and carry-on items stowed until the aircraft has come to a complete stop at the gate and the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please use caution.
What is life without Wi-Fi? I see him. Hey, wagwan. Jesus Christ, yan walang din. Alright, let's go. Fly high, fly high. This flag. We just love food, you know. Okay, guys, we just touched down. You're good. Thank you. Great to see you know. Guys, oh my god. They say cheese, so I wait for it. I don't know. Murder. What does I say? I don't know. Ready? Come on, what they are?
What's that?
Oh my. I know got a few cheese we can't find it. I don't know. Surprise!
No man, real man. Real man. Please a tulips no.
Tulips never know. Tulips never know.
She go pop out her car and tell.
Miracho.
No, I'm the one. I'm the one.
Feel like she go pop out her
I look everywhere. Yeah. What? Tomorrow.
Chicken.
Chicken. KFC.
KFC.
Yes.
Oh, famous bowl for me.
Famous bowl for you. Famous bowl.
Original, not barbecue.
Original. Randa, you take notes?
Original famous bowl, don't want the barbecue. Too sweet.
So, where you want from KFC? Oh, wow. They know me that too. Meal deal. Barbecue. Yeah, you barbecue? I bet that is it. What them did they need to remake?
Just right
Let's go to. Alright.
Just right last.
Alright. Yeah, we know a flavor when you're going there to take it.
That is it. Almighty. And a filter. Jesus. Jesus, yeah, man. That is it. Hi. Is that king? Is that king?
No, so listen,
keep
his
it
legs
on
when I was sleeping, so sometimes he spread it nicely, you know.
Really?
Yeah.
Why nice? It's nice. It's steady though.
Steady, man.
I love this.
It's steady.
Yeah.